yes please, no please. So whether it's in English or it's in Tree, please is accompanied by everything.
And when you very, very necessary. Yanko, another word.
So today I'm meeting up with my good friend, True Vonne, and she's gonna try to teach me the common phrases. So I'm gonna say the English word, she's gonna say the word in Ghana tree, and I will try to pronounce it myself. And let's see how I do. So, check it out.
As you know, in Ghana, we live by politeness. So you guys, you need to learn these phrases. You cannot do away with that. Even if you're asking somebody like, how are you? You need all these phrases, okay? Joe, what's the first one?
So the first one is please.
And please is, I think you know this.
I just know yes please, no please.
That would be me pacho. Woo!
Me pacho.
See?
Me pacho.
Me pacho. And you say that before you do anything, like before you ask any question, please. Me pacho, free him. Then I'll say me pacho, me free Ghana. Me pacho, free him.
Me free, pacho. Okay, me pacho, free Sierra Leone. No?
Okay, you try.
You'll take it. I tried. Yes please, no please. So whether it's in English or it's in Tree, please is accompanied by everything.
And when you very, very necessary. Yanko, another word.
So the next one is thank you. This one, I know. I'm excited about this.
Okay, so thank you is
Medasi.
So the actual word is medawo. I say like,
okay.
I thank you. But we shorten it to just thank you. Then you say medasi.
Medasi.
Okay.
So next is sorry.
Sorry is kose or kafra.
So there are two words.
Ko.
Ko.
Se.
Se.
Kose.
Kose.
Okay.
Kose.
Kose.
What am I doing? I'm done saying.
Kose.
Kose.
Good.
Kose.
Kose.
Kafra.
Kafra.
Okay. All right, so we just did polite words, right? And now we're moving into the affirmative and negative. So the next word is yes.
Ane.
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 Ane. So next we're gonna do no.
And no is Debbie.
Debbie. Dabby.
Yeah.
Okay, Dabby. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.